At 39 years ago. So, syempre, nag-umpisa kami, hindi yun B2C, nag-uusap natin kanina, B2B lang yun. And so, we really engage with the corporations, with the companies that are exporting, importing, hindi domestic. So, tingin ko nun sa sarili ko parang international, pang-abroad. Kasi mga nag-export, yun ang mga kinakausap namin and all that. But, through the years, and I can say that maybe I started it like 7 years ago, when from the international forwarding, we engaged in doing domestic distribution. Domestic distribution siguro mga 10 years ago or 12 years ago. But then, from there, domestic distribution, bulk pa rin, hindi pa rin SMEs. But when we started SME program or dealing with SMEs like aking mga kaibigan dito ngayon, doon ko lang na-realize, ang ating bansa ay talagang mas lalaki, mas magiging mayaman ang ating bansa kung tayo itutulong sa ating mga SMEs. MSMEs. Siyempre, hindi naman biro ang makapagawin sa mga MSMEs. Alam natin yun because they also have their pain points. But then for me, ang tanong nga kanina ng akin sa kadet na, bakit, anong diferensya ng inyong program sa ibang programs? Kasi, kami dito, because we got exposed to MSMEs, we know their pain points. We can relate to their pain points. We do trade fairs because I also happen to be the chairperson of Women Business Council Philippines. We deal a lot with Department of Trade. We deal a lot with Department of Local Governments and other government agencies. In fact, I recently traveled with them to a ministerial forum that really exposed me to how it is to be a private sector collaborating and helping the government sector. Ako naniniwala na kung tayong lahat ay nagtutulungan at naiintindihan natin kung ano yung mga pain points talaga ng mga MSMEs, there is really anything is possible. Our country can be something that to be reckoned with by the other ASEAN regions. Kung sasabihin ng iba na, we're lagging behind, maybe there's a little bit close to it, or our education, where, the lowest in ranking, maybe it is, there's truth to it. But I'm believing that if we don't focus on those things, and just focus on what we can do as a person, as a company, as a group, as a community, nothing cannot be achieved. It can be achieved. So, itong aming launch ngayon is a launch for the SMEs. Mahirap, pero ano bang madali? Pero kung mahirap at give up na tayo kagad, hindi natin ma-achieve or magagampanan yung dapat natin gawin. So the SME program is something that is being championed by our other company called Amazing Philippine Digital Economic Corporation. We separated it because Airspeed is a company that's dealing with bulk or corporations or hindi talaga MSMEs. But we need to understand and to relate to the SMEs to be able to help them, to be able to assist them. Yung iba nga sasabihin, advocacy yan. Siguro nga, pero, it's a purpose-filled and a driven type of work that we're doing to help them that eventually will help us also because we have to be sustainable. Paano kang tutulong kung wala ka namang kikitain at hindi ka sustainable at hindi ka scalable? Kailangan lahat yan sustainable, scalable. So, SME program is going to be discussed by Guy Bernardino, who is actually championing the SME program. We came up with different platforms to help the SMEs, and I really, really encourage each and everyone who's here. Itaguyod natin ang ating produkto ng Pilipinas. Dahil kung taguyod natin ang produkto ng Pilipinas, ay tinataguyod din natin ang ating bansa kung saan tayo narito, nakatira, at nakatira. Maraming salamat sa iyo.
Thank you, RTR. So, to be honest,